We bought our Nauticat 38 at the west coast of Norway, in a charming town called Ålesund. Norway is a cold place, and in the winter there is snow on the boat and ice on the water. To have the sea trail, we had to break some ice. We bought the boat, and the next thing to do was to bring my girlfriend to Ålesund as well, to see our new home. She was impressed by the boat, but she could not stand the weather. We urgently needed to sail her home, and when possible, sail her even further south. As agreed with the previous owner, he sailed the boat to Bergen, a bit longer south along the coast. And then, the Easter 2022, we picked her up there and sailed her home. I gathered a couple of friends, and we set off from Bergen on our way home to Sandefjord.
Sørover? Nå holder de på å pakke sammen gummibåten, for det tok litt utsikt fra oss.
More than 40 years earlier, my father had sailed the same route, and as backup for our digital navigation, we used his old naval chart that he had back in the 70s. Now, it's as easy as just following the lines in the map. South of Bergen, we get closer to the town Haugesund. If you follow Norwegian sailors on YouTube, you might have heard about Erik Aanderaa. These are his home waters. And as we approach Haugesund, we watch his channel. After a long day at sea, we stay for the night in Haugesund, the home port of our hero Erik Aanderaa. The crew has been good, and they have deserved a night at the pub. And as you know, what happens in the pub stays in the pub. The next day, we continued our way south in strong wind and really cold weather. Then, after another long day at sea, we arrived at the beautiful small island Kvitsøy just outside Stavanger. Early next morning, just as the sun is about to rise, we proceed on our journey southwards. The crew is sailing, and the skipper is taking a nap. Let's get some sails up, and let's get some speed. Sometimes we sail about 10 knots. Then we turn at the southernmost tip of Norway, and we get into sheltered waters. Arriving at one of the crew's summer house, we were welcomed by a happy crowd. Either the pier was too short or the boat was too long, but somehow we figured it out. Our brave voyage was duly celebrated in the woodshed. The crew signs off and my girlfriend signs on. We have a fantastic voyage north along the eastern coast of Norway. The water is calm, the weather is beautiful. Maybe now is the time to show her what I brought with me. Maybe now is the time to ask her to marry me. She said yes, and now she's my fiancée. The big event was celebrated in a beautiful small town called Stavern, in the boat and together with good friends.
Sånn, nå er vi klare.
Er klare?
Ja.
Ok,
Ja.
vi har litt smell. Vi har litt smell. Litt smell nå. Nå kommer den. Hei! Gratulerer til paret.
Tusen takk.
Vi har litt sånn store glass.
Ja.
From Stavern, it's only a couple of hours home to our port in Sandefjord. We arrived there happy to have finally got ourselves a Nauticat, and even happier to have gotten engaged. Thank you for following our trip.